hadian ke jingmi ke jingekran paidbah bad ke jinge persha halor ke jingthmu bante ya ke 5-star resort harut kapung Umiam u deputy commissioner ke ribhoi u abhilash baranwal ula Pynshai bana kalyang ki Shnong bamarjan kimshim la persha ikani ke project Henry kipen pau ya ke jing Kyrshan ban kentiu ya ke jaka kum kawai na ke jing yo jengok kai perthai UDC Ulaong ba ke District Tourism Promotion Society kalapinlong ya ke jingyalang bat kinong yalam Shnong nakithan kum ke umbir maulendam bat Umiam hakabala ya donlang ru ki officer na ke MSPCB MEECL bat ketna tourism Henry la pintip ba ke Green Tech Foundation kala kentaj banshim Mynta hakate ke jingyalang ha kani ke jingyalang la Pynshai bniah Shnong Halor ke rukom pentre ya ke project kham tam ki jingthmu jong ke sorkar wat ki kendon jong ke tender bala pinmi da ke tana tourism kinthop ya ke jing pentre ha ke daulen nong Lumpongdeng UDC ula benrab ba ke jingyalang kala long ke basaiso bat ki Shnong kila pinpau ya ke jing Kyrshan ya ke project kham tam hadian bala pintikna ba ki jingte Lumpongdeng kinlong ki besipor but an pindan kam di kitiar ki bala banweng na dadon kam ki jingte ki bani shirta
To start with, we were disappointed with with Green Tech's decision to not really come forward for the meeting. However, we had a very productive discussion with the Shnongs, and they have expressed support for the project going forward. And they also inquired about the construction part as far as the island is concerned, and we showed them the tender document, as I said, and they went very satisfied knowing that no permanent construction can take place over there, even though the environmental norms of the country allow permanent construction to take place on islands within a particular restriction set. However, the government of Meghalaya, uh, understanding the importance of environment and the environmental concerns of the people, in the tender document itself, they have clearly specified that any construction, so-called construction, or any erection on the uh, Lumpongdeng Island will only be of temporary nature, something which can easily be dismantled, which can easily be removed, and it cannot be of permanent nature. It can only be of some makeshift structures for temporary events, nothing more than that. Information I do not really have. That was not really flagged by any of the Shnong also during the meeting. However, the Shnongs were requesting for being given preference in livelihood opportunities, and for which we assured them that this this is something that we'll facilitate meeting with the tourism department also, so that they can air their concerns, and especially they can place their request to the department for livelihood opportunities. In fact, they were very supportive of the government initiative. However, they just wanted more information on the same, and for that also we have assured them that there would be meetings with the directorate as well. But in principle, they were quite supportive of the initiative, and they are in complete agreement with the government in its vision of developing Umiam as a world-class destination for tourists.